How to switch the video camera to 4K or HD on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to switch over to video mode. And at the top, you can choose to record in 4K format, or you can tap on it to change it to HD. And that's it. So if you want the highest quality video, you want to select 4K. If you want to save storage space on your device, you could select HD. And that's it. After you have made your selection, you can tap on the record button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.